how to connect the Keystone module. I'll teach you two methods to connect it. One is using a panel with a module. The other is using a crystal head, Ridge 45 connector. First, use the Ethernet crimper to place the cable in the slot. Gently press, don't use too much force, then rotate. See this outer insulation? Peel it off, then take this thread, cotton thread, just cut it off, tear off the aluminum foil, tear off the plastic wrap, spread the wires inside. There are 4 twisted pairs and 1 copper wire. The copper wire is the ground. Pull it down, don't touch this. It's called a spline, cut it off. Be careful not to cut the wires, then twist the external copper wire with the ground wire together. Twist, 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 just like that. After twisting, right, start separating the wires, separate all the wires, straighten them after separating. After straightening, find this tool. See this, there are a NB on it. These are 2 standards. We use the same standard according to the C568 pattern, which is brown, white, brown, orange, white, orange, then this side blue, white, blue, and green, white, green. Match the colors directly to the wires. See, the wires of corresponding colors, just thread through and clamp it. See, once connected, just like this, matching the colors of the wires. Let's check once more. Green, white, green, blue, white, blue, right? Then this side, brown, white, brown, orange, white, orange, good, no problem. Then take scissors and cut off the excess, just about like this. This about like this. Next, we start with the module. Note the module looks like this underneath. This white part, just clip it on. This is a latch. Latch it on just like that. Just place it directly after mounting. Give it a firm squeeze just like that, and it's done. See? Then we find the cable tie inside. Tie up the excess wire, cut off the direct excess wire. Cut off whatever is too much. The module is wholly assembled. The panel is rather simple. Just match and clip it on. Just screw it in with a screwdriver.